Hello wanderers and welcome to McKinley Hill. Today we are going to visit the Venice Grand Canal Mall here in Taguig. Walking tayo going to the mall. So dun sa binaba natin kanina parang I think lakad tayo mga 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes going to Venice Canal. Kailangan natin maglakad kasi hindi tayo sa mismong mall bumaba given that nag-commute lang tayo. Dito tayo bumaba sa may C5 road kaya lalakad tayo konti. Ito na po yung Venice Grand Canal Mall. So we'll just cross the road tapos pasok tayo sa mall mamaya. Piazza. As soon as you enter the mall, the vibe completely shifts. You leave the busy streets of Metro Manila and enter this 50-hectare township development by Mega World. The mall itself was actually designed in consultation with a Rome-based architectural firm. And you can see that in the details, the arches, the stone railings, and those iconic pastel facades. It opened back in 2015 and has since become a staple for photographers and bloggers. Whether you're here for the gram or just a weekend stroll, the scale of this place is honestly impressive. It's not just a mall, it's an experience. So ito po yung mga pigeon dito, yung you can feed them. They're friendly naman, hindi man sila takot sa tao. Pasok naman tayo sa loob, picture tayo dun sa may Grand Canal, Venice Grand Canal. Now, let's talk about the centerpiece, the 200-meter long Grand Canal. Yes, you can actually ride the gondolas. It usually costs around 500 pesos per person, and the ride takes about 15 to 20 minutes. And the coolest part, the gondoliers often serenade you with Italian classics. It's a bit touristy, sure, but if you're here on a date or with family, it's one of those must-do things. Another tip, if you want to avoid the massive lines in the midday heat, try coming on a weekday, morning or late afternoon during the golden hour for the best lighting. We are crossing the Ponte de Amore now, similar to the bridges in Paris or the real Venice. Couples come here to hang love locks to symbolize their commitment. It's a colorful, heart-filled spot that's always crowded with people taking selfies. After all that walking, you're going to get hungry. The mall is lined with al fresco dining options. If you want to stick to the theme, there are great Italian spots like Tony and Sergio. But if you're on a budget, head inside the food court. They have everything from Filipino favorites to international fast foods. Dito lang tayo kakain sa McDo. Having double cheeseburger and 2-piece chicken, fries and drink. No, okay, order kami ng taro slush dito sa Coco. The inside of the mall is a bit more standard, featuring a supermarket, there's a high-end cinema, and even a pet-friendly policy. So if you see some cute dogs in strollers or cats, don't be surprised. This is one of the most pet-friendly spots in Taguig. Wala pa to before nung napupunta kami, so itatry natin dito sa Venice Piazza Pigeon Feeding. Pwede bumili dito ng feeds for 20 pesos. Every afternoon, dozens of pigeons gather here. Just like in St. Mark's Square in Italy, you can even buy bird food for about 20 pesos if you want that classic surrounded by birds photo. Just be ready for them to land on your shoulders. Fair warning though, these birds are professionals. The moment they see you reach into that bag, you're no longer a tourist, you're a target. It's a hit not just with kids but also for adults. And if you're brave enough to hold your breath and stay still, you can get that iconic shot with 3 or 4 pigeons perched on your arms or even your shoulders. It's a bit of a sensory overload with the flapping wings and the cooing, but it adds a layer of life to the mall that you won't find in your typical air-conditioned shopping center. Quick tip also, if you're not a fan of birds landing on you, maybe just watch from a distance. These pigeons are very friendly, sometimes too friendly, and they aren't shy about asking for seconds.
And by the way, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video. Please also subscribe so you can follow along with my journey. Please also turn on that notification bell so you can get notified on my new videos. Thank you.
That's it for our tour of McKinley Hill's finest. If this video helped you plan your next weekend date or family outing, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more adventures around the Philippines. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite themed spot in Manila? Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe always.